Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about a psalm in which we find a prayer of thanksgiving and praise to God for his help and deliverance in the midst of the difficulties and dangers of life. We will see how God empowers and sustains us in all areas of our lives, and how we can trust in his help and empowerment to face any situation we may encounter. I hope this video will be an inspiration and encouragement for you to trust in God in all circumstances. So let's get started. Verse 31 highlights God's character as a God who gives strength and ability to his people. The psalmist continues to describe how God strengthened and empowered him to overcome his enemies and overcome difficulties. He recognizes that it is God's hand that sustains and empowers him to win life's battles. This psalm is a powerful reminder that it is God who empowers and gives us strength to face the difficulties and challenges of life. He empowers us to run swiftly and agilely, to fight skillfully, and to triumph over our enemies. We can trust in God to empower and sustain us in all areas of our lives, knowing that it is only through his grace and power that we can succeed. Remember that God is our rock, our fortress, and our safe haven. We can trust him in times of need and ask for his help and empowerment to face life's battles. If you are facing challenges or difficulties, know that God is with you and that he is able to give you the strength and ability you need to overcome. I hope this video has been an inspiration and encouragement for you to trust in God in all circumstances of life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more inspiring content like this. God bless you.